All right, let's turn it around.
German monks create the world's first powdered beer. So what do? Add water?
Uh-huh.
Interesting. I guess this saves from having to ship so much liquid around, but I am skeptical that it's going to be any good. However, some of that monastery beer is like the best you're ever going to have.
Really?
You kidding me right now?
If it's powdered even?
No, I don't know about powder, but I'm just saying if those dudes are interested in it, maybe they figured it out. I don't know. Or maybe the whole thing's a marketing ploy.
Oh, well, this is AI generated.
Jeez, Will. Hang on a second. A purely speculative AI generated image of a potential beer powder packet. What is that? Are we getting scammed again?
I hope not.
A brewery near Munich says it's created the world's first powdered beer. Just add water and it'll froth up, complete with a foamy head and full flavor. The result promises massive savings on transport because it can be shipped at 10% of the weight. See, most of the weight is just liquid water. The name, Klosterbrauerei Neuzel, worked together with technology partners and used funding from BMW to create its first powdered product, a dextrin-rich zero-alcohol beer, which has been brewed using conventional methods, then processed and prepared into this powder over here, water-soluble beer powder granulate. Testing this powder in the market in small quantities until mid-2023, but the plan is to start making alcoholic beers soon and scale things up so long as people go for it, and the team believes there's a chance to ditch traditional brewing methods, save some energy, save some shipping costs, whatever else. I don't know. You put this stuff in your cabinet, it seems weird. They did it with other things, I guess. Powdered versions.
Now I'm skeptical. I wonder if this is real.
Why? Because you don't want to get got.
It's AI generated.
You don't want to get got again.
Like, this looks convincing.
You don't want to get got again. Because you've been getting got.
Well, the AI images, man. They always get.
Because you've been getting got.
Yeah.
If you're admitting it.
Yeah.
No, I think the article's real. And then just to beef up the article, they used the AI generator which makes me very uncomfortable, but it also also makes me thirsty.
Would you try this?
Yeah, try it. Yeah, it's not that crazy.
I wonder if it has
form.
the foam.
So they say it does.
Carbonation as well?
Listen, I'll try it. I know it's not going to be as good, but I'll try it. These, by the way, those monastery beers, though, that's how it used to be, man. The priests were doing that stuff.
Okay.
Can you just show people what I'm talking about? Just type like Belgium monastery best beer in the world. Something like that. Yeah, like this dude. Look at that dude over there. Look at him. You see that guy? You can't make beer like that guy. Look at that guy.
I can't.
You look at the way it's bottled and everything. It's like wine when you pour this stuff.
Yeah,
out.
It's very impressive.
Like this stuff is. They used to just put it out. They had such a limited amount. They only made it just to keep the monastery going.
So why is it so good?
It's complex.
Is that how they ferment
it's complex. It's a complex flavor to it, man. It's got a body on it.
Okay.
It's got a body on it, and they use the old techniques for it. Look at this guy. You understand what that's about?
That looks like you in 20 years.
I might just have to quit everything and just go see what he's about. And be like, teach me your ways, sir. Look at this. You see, is there anything better? I'll tell you what, though, the demand is surging. And you know what you might pay for some of this stuff? Up to $15 a bottle, Will.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, you might pay for that.
What's the alcohol percentage?
Oh, it's going to be high.
Is
sir.
it?
Oh, yeah, it's going to get you going.
Okay.
And it's legit. It's not one of these goofy ones where it's all marketing and they say, oh, yeah, inspired by Once Upon a Time. No, you can get the stuff from the real dudes.
Mm-hmm.
You better think about it.
I'll definitely try it.
I might find this stuff for you. Maybe we'll do a taste test. Not the powder. I'll just get the other stuff for you from the guy that you just looked at.
Okay. Yeah, I don't mind.
I'm thinking
He
about
seems
it.
trustworthy.
I don't know why they're called Trappist monks. Can you give me a Wikipedia on that? They gotta, for some reason, be Trappist monks. I don't know what a Trappist monk is. Certain type, centered on manual labor in addition to their spiritual activities. Okay, where do they live though? Officially known as the Order of Cistercians, the strict observance, and originally named the Order of Reformed Cistercians of Our Lady of La Trappe, Catholic religious order of cloistered monastics that branched off from the Cistercians. 1664. That's what they've been doing, those guys. Trappist monks. Can we get some pictures of these guys? It's unbelievable. Look at this stuff. Look at that guy drinking over there. Look at these guys. The way they look at the beer. You don't understand this stuff, Will.
I clearly don't. It almost has like a religious vibe to it.
You're damn right it's got a religious vibe to it. Look at the outfits over here. You're damn right it is.
So they drink beer, these monks? Or do they just make them?
Well, you gotta taste. You gotta make sure you got a good product, right? You gotta make sure you got something good going on.
Yeah.
Before you're trying to sell it. Yeah.
Do they brew it under like the church or something?
Oh, they're in the church, man.
Okay. All right.
But I don't know. I don't know if the one I had was the Trappists or somebody else. But all I know is that there's no labels on these bottles when you get it. It's that one. Go click on the picture of all of them lined up. It's got to be that one right there. Yeah, it's got to be that one. You know how badass you are when you don't put any label on it? You're like, nah, you know. They're like, if you know, you know. And if you don't know, then you don't know. But if you know, then you know.
It's like a club.
It's crazy, man. No label?
Uh-huh.
That's funny about labels. At the very low end, you got no labels. At the very high end,
You got no labels.
you got no labels.
Yeah.
You think about that, Will.
All right.
Let that one simmer down. I'm going to get this stuff for you. You're going to get all rosy here on this channel.
I have the Asian glow.
On this channel right here, you're going to go to Belgium, sir.
I'm going there?
That's right. On this channel. You're going to travel there via your taste buds.
Oh, okay. As long as I don't have to move.
No, you don't. You just gotta. Trust me. Those they're modernizing. The Trappist guys are modernizing. They got FedEx and everything going now.
Gotcha.